Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X90 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, we will need to just swipe down on our home screen, do so once again to extend the list of toggles, and one of those toggles, which I think by default is somewhere here, which means right over here, as the hotspot toggle. Now once you find it, simply hold it first time around. This will redirect you to the settings. Here you want to select Wi-Fi hotspot, and I recommend by starting off with the hotspot password. When you check it out, you can see that it is randomly generated, so it's nothing too easy to actually remember. Like, how the heck are you supposed to remember Y7VM2F7GT5, whatever? You get the point. For you, it's obviously different than it is for me because it is randomly generated every time you reset the device. So I recommend removing it and then setting up your own new password, which needs to have at least 8 characters in length. So 1 through 8 works good enough. Tap on OK, and that's really the only thing that I recommend changing right here. You can go through the settings and customize them to fit your needs a little bit more precisely. There's one thing that I recommend not changing, which will be the turn off hotspot automatically. By default, it is enabled, and that's how I recommend keeping it. This will make it so when you forget about your hotspot, so you just forget to turn it off, the device will remember this for you and it will turn it off once it knows that you're done using it. And it defines you being done with it when it's inactive, when the hotspot isn't being used for about 10 minutes, I think. So when it detects that no device is connected, it starts a countdown. After that countdown reaches to 0, it turns off hotspot, which is a pretty nice option considering hotspot consumes more of your phone's battery, and when you're not using it, there's really no purpose for it to be running in the background. So there we go. Now once you have set it all up, you can just find the toggle, tap on it, and we're good to go. Our hotspot is now enabled and we can connect to it. Now like I said, you can either wait for the hotspot to turn off automatically, or you can just tap on this toggle once again to turn it off right away once you're done with it. So with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.